Why can a plane weighing dozens of tons fly into the sky? The answer lies in its delicate wings. The wings of a plane are not flat. Its upper surface is curved like an arch, while the lower surface is relatively flat. When the engine roars and pushes the plane forward, the air rushes towards the wings. The airflow above the wing is stretched by the curved surface and flows very fast. The airflow below is very leisurely and slow. It is this speed difference that creates the magic of lift. According to the discovery of physicist Bernoulli, the faster the fluid flows, the lower the pressure. Therefore, the fast airflow above the wing creates a low pressure area, and the slow airflow below creates a high pressure area. The strong pressure difference from bottom to top is the key force that supports the flight of the aircraft. The lift, when the aircraft accelerates fast enough, the lift generated by the wings finally exceeds the gravity exerted by the earth on the aircraft. At this moment, the steel giant raises its head to break free from the bondage of gravity and freely embraces the endless blue sky.